Hey guys, how's it going? So we're gonna talk a little bit about shooting and technique. Generally shooting is best with a partner. If one person's shooting at the goal, your friend can be in goal, and after like 10 or 15 shots, you guys can switch. Varying distances obviously is the preferred method. 15 yards out, 20 yards out, 25 yards out. Doing like short snapshots of 7, 10 yards out, all of that sort of thing. So we're gonna go over the general technique for shooting right now. Important things to consider are the balance, keeping your eyes on the ball, making contact. You want to make contact with this part of your foot. It's the hardest part of your foot, this bone right here. And you just want to try and extend through using the power of your quad and like all of your glute and hamstring have to offer. The most important thing is to lock your foot and not to put your toes up. Don't put your toes up. You'll end up toeing the ball or even worse, hitting the ground. And I've done that and it takes weeks for it to get better. You're running up to the ball, you're just planting. You want your body over the ball and you want to extend through the ball like so. So you want to make sure your knees over the ball, you're balanced, and you're swinging through. Ideally, what will happen is you'll swing through and you'll land on your shooting foot, and you can land on your shooting foot, but like being a cross-legged, it's okay, as long as you get the shot off. But yeah, just in live motion, what that looks like. If I'm just gonna shoot through like so, it's gonna be like, you're just gonna shoot through like that.